Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about India and international organization. India is a potential superpower and has growing international influence all around the world. The country has been emerging as a prominent in global affairs. It has acted as a prominent members of several international organizations and has been founding members of some. India has played a pivotal and influential role in organizations like World Trade Organization, International Monetary Fund and Shanghai Cooperation. India has great history of collaboration with several countries. Now we are going to learn about the India's international organizations. India and international organization. India has acted prominent member of several international organizations and has been a founding member of some. India is a member of forming groups like UNO, NAM, SORG, G20 and the Commonwealth. India has been extending a helping hand to the UNO in all her efforts and ending military conflicts and in promoting peace and progress among the nations. India has friendly relations with several countries in the developing world. Countries considered India is closest include the Russian Federation, Israel, Afghanistan, France, Bhutan, Bangladesh and United States and Russia is the largest supplier of military equipments to India, followed by Israel and France. BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa are the leading emerging economies and political powers at the regional and international level. The BRICS organization headquarters is in Shanghai, China. BRICS opened a possibility for countries in global south challenge the global north. India is an active member in collaboration paves way for India to build its global profile. BRICS grouping and on December 24, 2010 was invited to join BRICS. The original aim of BRICS was establishment of an equitable, democratic, multipolar world order, but later BRICS became political organization, especially after South Africa joined. The future BRICS as an economic group is questionable. In 2012, a book with the breakout nations argued that it had sustained rapid growth for more than a decade. Reason for the formation of BRICS: to an alternative, the World Bank, IMF, to challenge US supremacy, to provide self-owned and self-managed organization to carry out development and economic plans in its member nations. BRICS is an powerful grouping of the world leading emerging and market economies, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. The BRICS mechanism aims to promote peace, security, development and cooperation in its member nation. BRICS is an acronym coined the associate five major emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. The BRICS members are known for their significant influence on regional affairs. Since 2009, the BRICS nations have met annually at formal summits. Objectives of BRICS: to achieve regional development, to act as a bridge between developed and developing countries, to contribute extensively to development of humanity, to establish more equitable and fair world, boost intra-BRICS trade in their local currencies, to increase trade cooperation and cope with current international financial crisis, to promote technological information exchange among the member states, to enhance inclusive economic growth that will lead to an increase in the creation of jobs, fight against poverty and accelerate the economic transformation of members. The BRICS was coined by Jim O'Neill, a famous British economist. He predicted that by year of 2050, Brazil, Russia, India, China would become bigger than six most industrialized nations in dollar terms, which would completely change the power dynamics of last 300 years. Cooperation among member nations. First, the common need among developing countries to construct an economic order that reflect the current situation will drive the BRICS effort. In the matter, the idea of NDBA and CRA are defining changes and will have huge geo-economic and geopolitical impact. Second, the BRICS alternative idea in the landscape of global governance will attract support from other countries. Third, the expansion of BRICS interactions to other sectors will make it more strong partnership. Cooperation among countries can be an effective tool to strengthen, share, and accelerate health and development within the countries and across regions. It involves creating, adapting, transferring, and sharing knowledge and experiences to improve health while also making most of existing resources and capacities. The financial architecture of BRICS. The new development bank of Multilateral Development Bank, its primary focus is lending for infrastructure projects. It aims to contribute to development plans established nationally through projects that are socially, environmentally, and economically sustainable. It gives priority to projects aimed at developing renewable energy sources. The contingent reserve agreement is framework for providing protection against global liquidity pressure, which include currency issues. The BRICS summit held in October 2016 suggested the possible use of local currencies in intra-BRICS trade at to lower costs. This article extends this idea and proposes a scheme for setting up a clearing account in local currencies of BRICS countries. It contends that such a step will provide avenues for generating additional demand within the region while cushioning the member countries against shocks from exchange rate. Thank you, students.